Today we were reviewing subtracting across zeros. We started off by doing three problems. I'm going to run through, show you the solutions to the three questions. So our first one was 70,000 minus 14,575. The problems today were just larger in number, but we're using the same strategy. So remember, in most subtraction problems, we're tempted to start out here on the right. When we're subtracting across zeros, we actually need to start on the left side and work our way back. So our 10,000 spot here is our first place value that has a number. So we're going to take the 7, reduce it by 1, make it a 6. And remember, that gets us the next spot over to a 10, but we still have to borrow all these place values. So as we go along here, we're making the middle numbers 9s actually, because we're going to take them, we borrow to make them 10s, but then we borrow from them to make the place to the right a 10, or to give it value all the way till the 1s. We get to the 1s, remember we stick with the 10. So again, we're following that same pattern we had yesterday where we borrow from the first place that has a value, has a number, and then everything in between is a 9, with the last 0 being a 10. Once we have it this far now we're going to go ahead and subtract. So we have 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 4 is 5, and 6 minus 1 is 5. So our final answer there is 55,423. For our next one, we had 80,000 minus 45,632. And again, we're going to start on the left. First number with place value, we're going to take away 1, and then we're going to start borrowing. So we're going to change it to a 10, and then a 9. We borrowed, so we change it to a 10, and then we borrow from the 10 to make it a 9. We go all the way across till we get to the last spot, and then we have a 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 5 is 4, 7 minus 4 is 3. So our second answer is 34,368. Alright, last one for today. We have 77,000 minus 45,643. This one we don't have to go over as far. So on the first two problems we were borrowing from the 10,000s. This one, the thousands, has a place value. So we're going to start here. We're going to take the 7. We're going to make it a 6. That gets our next number a 10. We have to borrow from that, make it a 9. 10 to make it a 9. And we get to our last spot, it's a 10. So again, very similar pattern to yesterday. Now we can work out the problem. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. 7 minus 4 is 3. So our final answer is 31,357. Those are your three answers for your subtraction problems. There's a set of word problems below. Good luck with them, and have a great day.